Hi, I'm Ashraf from DIY Guru.
Hi everyone, my name is Shivani Mishra.
Hi everyone, I'm Shivali.
So this year, we had an idea that we will be conducting India's very first e-vehicle job fair. When we convinced this idea of conducting this event, the first thing was that we wanted to keep a name that would resonate with what we actually wanted to do. So we came up with the name of Bharat E-Mobility Recruitathon, and the place to conduct this event was nothing better than Maharashtra itself, because Maharashtra being hub for electric vehicle OEMs. Initially, we planned to conduct this event in Hinjewadi, where DIY Guru corporate office is. But then, when we floated the form in and around Maharashtra and other parts of the country, we realized that the number of candidates that showed interest in this particular recruitathon was more than 2,000. Right, so in total we received around 2,600 applications for this recruitathon event. This was open to everyone, not just DIY Guru student. This was open to everyone. We planned almost 2 weeks of our time to connect with the industries. There was few industries which were already connected with us, and there were a few industries which has openings but we have never interacted with them. We started connecting with their HRs. Every student, every hiring partner gave us feedback that the event happened successfully. I think this is the first time electric vehicle dedicated job recruitment drive has been conducted in India. We will make sure that in future we will be conducting similar drives here in Maharashtra and other part of countries to ensure that the vision with which DIY Guru started, to ensure that electric vehicle industry does not face the deficiency of workforce, talented workforce and trained workforce. We abide by that vision, and we are very hopeful that we will be able to meet the expectation which the industry has.
Hi, I'm Ashraf from DIY Guru. So we had India's one of the largest EV hiring event. This is the first EV job fair which is in the EV and automotive sector. So the idea was very clear. The challenge was the electric vehicle niche. So coming from the GTM perspective, I would say making the event successful, it was really important to ensure the candidate and the companies are coming into the same place, because that's the vision of DIY Guru, that we act as a bridge, ensuring that we bring industry and academia on the same flow, and we ensure that students, learners are being trained in a particular fashion, that they meet the expectation of the industry, and that was the motive of the event was. So we called around 22 hiring partners of ours for the event. So we started the event with the idea of inaugurating it, to setting the stage and the tone, and followed by a panel discussion where panelists discussed about that what is the need of the hour at this very moment, what are the expectations from the industry. So basically it's completely for the students and for the learners.
Hi everyone, my name is Shivani Mishra. I'm the HR and placement head at DIY Guru. So we are here in Ajinkya DIY Patil, Lohegaon. We have a mixed crowd. Some students are backgrounds from the BTech, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronic, ECE, and Diploma students, IETI. So in this drive, students are so excited for the placement drive, which is collaborated with the ADYPU and DIY Guru. So in this drive, we mix the crowd and the company interviews, and the process was smooth in this drive.
So on 4th and 5th July, we have conducted an event, that is Bharat E-Mobility Recruitathon. That is India's first EV-focused and automotive-focused job fair, in which we are invited our hiring partners, that is including Bigos, Tata EV, Mahindra, and as well as Varroc and other big names in this. Apart from this, these companies offer around 100+ job roles in 2 days. Students got around 100+ offers in these 2 days. So I would like to thank all the hiring partners for giving their time and all the best for the students who got offer in this trial.
Hi everyone, I'm Shivali and I'm from DIY Guru Mobility, and we recently wrapped up our Bharat E-Mobility Recruitathon on 4th, which held on 4th and 5th July at ADYPU Pune. So one of the vision behind behind conducting and organizing this Bharat E-Mobility Recruitathon for EV and automotive companies, because we realized that our CEO sir, Mr. Avinash Kumar Singh, realized that there has no such event in India which has been dedicated to EV and automotive hiring requirements. On 4th of July, the event started with a grand opening ceremony. ADYPU Pune has been it was the hosting and institutional partner, for which we are really grateful. Okay, and of course they provided us very warm hospitality, and the staff and the volunteers, they all were great, all were very cooperative, working on Saturday and Sunday, which is usually off for them. All the HR hiring partners were felicitated, followed by a panel discussion where students were, their queries were resolved, that why there is a skill gap in the industry, why they are not getting the right opportunities and so on. One thing I forgot to mention, the entire planning of the event was done by Mr. Ashraf, that how it would be conducted, how would be things done. And yes, on 4th we signed a MOU with Mr. Jaipal for SJT, and on 5th of this July we signed a MOU with our BGOS, a long-standing partner, okay, either in Bangalore if things go as per plans, or in Delhi. But of course there is next Bharat E-Mobility Recruitathon coming in the end of the year, so see you there.
From the industry, from the hiring partner, from the student, everything was dedicatedly managed, and we had a great stage, because this is going to become the benchmark of EV and auto. We are looking forward to having such events in near future, where we will be covering the locations such as Bangalore, Delhi, where the EV industry lies. That's all from my end. Signing off, Ashraf, head of GTM of DIY Guru.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.